Hi, today I'm excited to show you one of PowerUser's most powerful functionalities, a really cool formatting tool called the Smart Painter. The Smart Painter is like an advanced format painter. While the Format Painter can be used to copy the format of one shape and apply it to another shape, it is not flexible as it applies all formatting options at once. The Smart Painter gives you much more flexibility and control. Let me show you how. First, let's copy an object with the Smart Painter. For this, select it and click here where it says Smart Painter Copy Format, and it will memorize my selection. Now, whenever I need, I can use the button just below that says Smart Painter Apply Format. I can then choose which properties to reuse. I can copy the fill and outline colors plus the shape size and nothing else. I could also easily apply the margins and line spacing, for instance, like this. I can also copy the shape angles to ensure my shapes have the same rounded angles. I can even copy the shape position. This is already great and it gives me a lot of flexibility, but there is more. I can use the Smart Painter to format shapes in bulk on dozens or hundreds of slides at once. Let's take a couple of examples. A typical pain point in PowerPoint is to keep the slide title's format and position consistent. So what I'm going to do is to save one title as the reference shape. This title has been memorized. Now I can use the Smart Painter to reuse all this title's properties: its format, its size, its position. Now the trick is in this drop-down at the bottom. Instead of applying to selected shapes, let's choose slide titles. And just like this, all the titles on all my slides are perfectly formatted and consistently aligned. Now a second example is with bullets. It is very difficult to keep the bullet style consistent in a presentation. So I'm going to take a shape with the bullet style I want and make it the new reference. And then I can reuse the bullet style, not just on one other shape, but I'm going to run this on all shapes of all slides. And now everywhere I have bullets in my entire presentation, they will be adjusted to match the chosen style, level by level. So if you understand what this means, you can actually move, resize, and format shapes on hundreds of slides at once, as long as you can use one of the criteria from this list. We can edit all shapes, or just slide title, but also all shapes with a certain height or width, a certain color or font, etc. All edited at once in the entire presentation. As you can see, the Smart Painter can be a huge time saver. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you will find great use cases for this feature.